We have Stamperia's Amazonia. Now this is a 12 by 12 paper pad, and I do need to tell you right up front, we have a very, very limited quantity of this. This is, let me just show you. Well, okay, we've got 68 cutouts. Now of those cutouts, this is some of them, there are 6 of them in Spanish, so you can see one there and right here. So you can cut those out, you can use the other side, you can ink them, you can do whatever you like. Now here we go into the gorgeous artwork, and as I said, these are 12 by 12. That's the back of that tiger. How pretty is that? And the back side with an alligator. And here we have the great water lily. Oh, very pretty. And there's more of the pond for the water lily. Here we have a toucan. And on the back side, just gorgeous, beautiful collage, as Stamperia always does. Here are part of the cutouts. None of these have words, or I guess just a few words over the top. And there's the back side, which is always a simpler version. And here we have some gorgeous butterflies and orchids. And the back side, tropical and subtropical plants, it says. And here we have the continent of Africa, just beautiful. And the back side of it with tapestry. Here are some larger cutouts. These will measure just under 6 by 6. And there is the back side, again, a little bit plainer. We have a gorgeous parrot and a little friend over here. And there's some wood on the back. And then we have a very happy sloth. And the back side, very beautiful. And you see the dragonfly, it's gorgeous. And there are more of those 68 cutouts. All of this is in Amazonia. It will be gone quickly. So if you're interested, please grab it.